Another beautiful day across northern Michigan, but we are starting to see some clouds moving in, and that could produce a few spotty showers. Still think we're going to have some dry time in between any of this shower activity that we do see. Let's go ahead and run you through the model. There we go, later into your Tuesday evening, closer to the midnight hour. Notice the coverage of any showers that we're seeing isolated at best. And then as we go past the midnight hour, any showers that did manage to develop, we're looking mostly dry. Now we start off Wednesday on a drier note, kind of similar to what we started off from this morning. Probably at least a few more clouds in the mix. There we go, closer to the lunch hour. Then again into the afternoon, by the evening, a few more passing showers at best. Again, spotty is going to be that key word as we're going throughout these next few days. We're not really talking about a monumental amount of moisture to work with, but even still, by the time we're going into early Thursday morning, still can't rule out a few more spotty shower chances, and even still, by the time we're getting right here into Thursday morning, still a few isolated showers out there. This is going to be along a warm frontal boundary because we're going to be talking about temperatures, especially into some of our southern communities later on this week, quite a bit warmer. 60s and probably even our fair share of some 70s. So later into the week, as we're getting a few more of these systems in, there even could be a few rumbles of thunder in the mix. So here we go on the wider view. I think the best chance for any rain that we're talking about later on this week will come as we're going Thursday night into the day on Friday, and that also could give us potentially a few rumbles of thunder as we are rounding out the week. As of right now, though, past this system into the weekend, that's going to be looking like a winter. Let's get your live weather stations out there right now. Everett, you're still talking about 60 degrees, fairly mild for this hour. Other temperatures across northern Michigan, Manistee, closer to the water, 51 degrees. Not much of a wind out there. And the numbers past midnight tonight, still chilly. We'll talk about some upper 30s, low 40s, at least the numbers staying above freezing as we're going into the overnight period. Temperatures into the day tomorrow, there it is, 50s, if not even some 60s. Still remember for this time of year, our lakeshore communities, due to a few lake breezes by the afternoon, still could keep our lakeshore communities a touch cooler. But as you're going farther inland, it's going to be another warm day. Check it out, western lower, plenty of 60s out there for you, even Wellston. Closer to 70 degrees as we take you into the afternoon. Not as windy. You're really going to notice that lake breeze closer to the Lake Huron shoreline. There's a look at those numbers up near US 23, some low 50s, but farther inland, you'll add 15 degrees. 60s, mid 60s by the afternoon. Central lower, same deal. Upper 60s, if not again. We'll tap into some low 70s. So it is going to be an overall warmer day. And even still, as we're going later into the month, by the time we do reach May, all the data continues to show our temperatures staying near, if not well above average. So no big cool downs in the next 7 days, Adam. There you go into the next 7. That better chance for rain on Friday. Most every weekend right now, looking sunny and dry.